everybody, Ken Kmet, condovoice.com. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're talking about drip irrigation. And it's a great thing, especially in tight quarters like along a building, in a nice small plant bed where you've got flowers growing and stuff like that. And you don't want the overspray from a regular pop-up sprinkler to get onto the sidewalk or the building. So, drip irrigation is great in its spot. In tiny islands, skinny islands, things like that, it works great. But here's the problem. It doesn't last forever. It does spring leaks. And the problem is when those leaks in the pipe, when they spray up against a building, or they're spraying over on a sidewalk, or they're actually like a big leak, like a contractor would be doing some work on the building and his shovel, he's maybe probing or something and he accidentally hits the thing. When you do your test for your irrigation, frequently, you should look out for the drip irrigation. If you hear the sound, like water gushing, pull apart. Here, let me show you what happened here. We had some issues with this one and some temporary repairs were done by others. Anyway, we're gonna fix it right today and show you how to do it. Follow me down here. Okay, we got some beautiful penta, gorgeous penta getting fed by this drip irrigation line. So what we have is this. We got this guy here, right? You see that screw right there? Interesting. Okay, that was a hole that was in. See, it does have holes. The pipe has little holes in it, and that's where the water drips out. And there was a cut or a couple of extra big holes here, so it was taped. That is a temporary repair that you can do, but you don't want it to be a permanent repair. And somebody put a screw in here because that hole was spraying up against the building, and I guess it was causing a water problem inside. So anyway, what we're gonna do is fix this right today. I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. So we're gonna take our cutters and cut this out. All right, we got our new piece of drip irrigation. We're gonna size it up right there. Whatever we cut out, we're gonna put back. Okay, and we're gonna cut this. This is pretty quick and easy. So what you wanna do is take your union fitting, all right, that guy right there, slide it in 1/2, get it all the way up where it's sucked in really good. I'm gonna put the other side on it. This pipe, this drip irrigation is pretty flexible when it's new. When it gets older, it gets brittle because it's got oil in it and different products that basically get bleached out by the sun. So the older it gets, all right, the more brittle it gets. Anyway, so I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna shove it on this side, other side of my drip irrigation, and you can just hand do it. You don't really need any other tools other than, and that is it. We're fixed. So we're gonna test it, make sure we don't have any other sprays. See, we've got one hole exposed right here. Normally this should be tucked under or right with the mulch. They have pins that I'm going to install here to make sure this lays down flat. You don't want it, say, on a walkway or near a walkway to be sticking up, cause a trip and fall hazard. Anyway, that was our old pipe, okay? With our fixes. This is our new pipe. And we are done. That is fixed. That's as easy as it takes and as long as it takes. All right, thanks for watching. Come on down to condovoice.com and join us. We'll be glad to see you down there. Have a great day.